Hi there, Gary here from Restore Solutions. Well, end of 2023, I'm giving out some awards. I've had a great year. What's going to happen in 2024? But this is an encouragement award. We're giving out this encouragement award, and it was hard to pick. There's so many to pick, but I got down to two. The first company to receive this award, what I mean by encouragement is they're out there now trying something new. They've got their guys trained with all the right equipment, really learning and researching and want to know more and hitting me up for more information. They want to learn and they want to get better. They're young, they're enthusiastic guys. Love it. Really, want them to succeed in 2024. They're doing some great things. They've got a great setup, and love what you guys have done now, taken on Drymatic and really pushed that in your business. And they're all about networking and helping other people as well. Fantastic. So Tom and Leon from Restoration Specialists, well done guys. In New Zealand, you guys are doing a fantastic job, and can't wait to see what you guys have got planned for 2024. Have yourself a great Christmas and Happy New Year, and thanks again guys. See you next year, and keep up the good work. And you get $100 now off Restore Solutions to use at your leisure. Have a good Christmas. Talk soon.